Good morning students, welcome to maths class. How are you? Hope you are fine. Yes, are you learning maths regularly? Yes, many of you haven't completed your maths homework as well as class work. So I said you copy your maths class work from the PDF and complete your homework that was sent by me. So many of you are not at all completing, complete it fast. Okay. So now what we are learning, first we learned rational numbers. Next we are learning squares and square roots. So squares, last class what did I teach? I taught properties of square numbers. So can you tell me what is the first property? Square of an even number is always even. Next, second property, can you tell me? Square of an odd number is always odd. So all the square numbers have 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 as their unit digits. Next, the numbers that ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8 is not a square number. No square number ends with, if a number that ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, at once you say this is not a square number. Okay. Next, if a number has 1 or 0 in its units place, then the number square will ends with 1. If a number has 4 or 6 in its units place, then its square ends with 6. If a number has 5 in its units place, the square ends with 5. Same is it. If a number has 3 or 7 in its units place, then its square also ends with 9. If a number has 2 or 8 in its units place, then its square ends with 4. Okay, so we saw some examples. Today we are going to learn the sum of consecutive odd numbers. Okay. Sum of consecutive odd numbers. Okay. So sum of consecutive odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5. Can you tell me what is 1 plus 3 plus 5? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Already we have 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers is there. So what is 3 square? Set. 1, 2, 3 numbers you have. 3 square 9. One more example I will say, then you will understand. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Can you add 4? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16 is it. So how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 4 square? 16. See? This is what I said. The sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. Odd natural numbers. Odd numbers. 1, 3, 5. Sum of consecutive odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5, you know, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So, how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 square. That is 9. Okay. Sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. Then one more number is there. So, last class I taught you how to find out a square number, that is prime factorization method. So, today I am going to teach another one method, that is, for example, you say one number. For example, 27. We are going to see whether 27 is a prime number, square number or not. Since 27 is small, you will say, ma'am, 27, 9, 3 are only 27. But we have one method, one small method I will introduce. That is another one method. That is, first what you have to do is 27 minus 1. What is 27 minus 1? 26. Then write this 26 here. What is the next odd number? 3. 1, 3. That is 26 minus 3. What is 26 minus 3? 23. Write this answer here. 23 minus 1, 3. Next what number? 5. 1, 3, 5. So 23 minus 5. Can you tell me what is 23 minus 5? 18. Okay. Write this 18 here. 1, 3, 5, 7. Am I right? 1, 3, 5, 7. Odd numbers. So we are learning odd numbers. We are learning about odd numbers. 18 minus 7 is 11. Okay. So what is that? Write this 11 here. Minus 1, 3, 5, 7. Next 11 is it? Sorry, 9. Which is equal to 2. Next 2 minus 11 is it? So which is not possible. So we are not getting 2. We are not getting 0. If we are getting 0, we can say this is a square number. For example, 25 if you try, you will get 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 minus what is the next number? 3 is it? 21. 21 minus what is the next number? 5. What is that? 21 minus 5, 16. 16 minus 1, 3, 5, 7. That is 9. See, next, this is 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 is the next odd number. 9. It is equal to 0. So I can say 25 is a perfect square. 27 is not a perfect square. Can you understand? So by using this, we shall we do one problem? We are going to do one problem. Okay. So that is which problem means example 7. Without using factorization, identify the numbers that are perfect square. So we have given two numbers. Example 7. Without using factorization, identify the numbers that are perfect. Identify the numbers that are perfect square without prime factorization. Without using prime factorization method. Okay. So we are going to identify we are going to find out the find out the square numbers. So the square numbers that are perfect square without using prime factorization method. Okay. So what is the first number? 81. So I know 81. That is 9 square is 81. Is it? I know 9 square is equal to. Am I right? Yes. But without they are not asking prime factorization. Prime factorization means this method. Is it? 81, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So this is a perfect square. No pair. Is it? But I don't want this method. I know 9 square is 81. This is perfect square. But I learned one method. That is what? First n consecutive sum of first n consecutive odd natural numbers. Sum of first n consecutive odd natural numbers. So 1 here, what is n? N here 9 is it? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. 9 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N 1, 2, 3, 4. What is n? N is equal to 9. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 numbers. So can you add this number? 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 11, 36. 36 plus 13, 49. 14, 9, 17, 15. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5, 1. 2 remain. 2 plus 4, 6, 7, 8. So which is equal to 8. So 9 square is also 81. Here if I add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 also I'll get 81. Okay. So understand? So one more method is there, which is the other method by subtracting. Is it? Second problem we will do by using that method. What is the second number? 60. Is it? Can you tell me 60 minus 1? That is equal to 59. 59 minus what? 1 after, which is the next odd natural number? 3. That is 56. Now I will take this 56 here. What is the next? 1, 3, 5. 56 minus 5, 51. So 51 minus 1, 3, 5, 7. That is 51 minus 7, 44. Set. So next 44 minus 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 35. Am I right? Yes. 35 minus what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. It is equal to 35 minus 11. 24. 24 minus 13, which is equal to 24 minus 13, 1, 11. Sorry, 4 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. So, 11 minus 15. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 11 minus 15 is minus 4. No, sorry, minus 4. So, I am not getting 0. So, can I say 60 as a perfect square? I cannot say 60 as a perfect square. Okay. So, 60 is not a perfect square. So, next method. So, first we found the sum of consecutive or natural numbers. Next, one more we will see. That is the difference of consecutive odd natural numbers. That is, difference of consecutive odd natural numbers is if n square and n plus 1 the whole square are two natural numbers, then the difference is 2n. Okay. If there are n square, if there is two natural square of if n square and n plus 1 are two square numbers, then the difference is 2n. Okay, if n and n plus 1 are n and n plus 1 are, if n and n plus 1 are two natural numbers, n and n plus 1 are two natural numbers, then the squares, difference between the squares is 2n. Okay, sorry, can you understand? Then there are 2n non-square natural numbers. There are 2n non-square numbers will be there. Okay, if n and n plus 1 are two numbers, then their squares will be n square and n plus 1 the whole square is it. So there will be 2n non-square numbers between these two numbers. So I will do the problem, you will understand. So here see. Example. Find the number of non-square numbers between the squares of the following. So here 10 and 11 are two numbers. So what is 10 square? 100. What is 11 square? 121. So we have to find out non-square non-square natural numbers are there, we have to find out. How many non-square numbers are there, we have to find out. How many non-square numbers are found between 100 and 121. Understand? So, we will take n is equal to 10. 2n is equal to 2 into 10, which is equal to 20. There are 20 non-square numbers. See, I will explain. 10 square, 100 only now. 11 square, 121. So how many numbers are there in between? 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 100 like that 20 numbers are there. All the 20 numbers are non-square numbers. Okay, any square numbers are there in between 100 and 121? What is 10 square? 100. What is 11 square? 121. So is there any non-square numbers between 100 and 121? Yes, 20. Whether is there any square numbers? No, there is no square numbers. Only all the numbers are non-square numbers. Okay. So, one more example. 23 and 24. In between 23 and 24. So what is n? What is n? 23. What is 2n? 2 into 23, which is equal to 46. So there are 46 non-square numbers between 23 and 24. If you want, you can multiply and see. What is 23 square? 23 square is 529. 24 square. 24 square. Can you tell me what is 24 square? 24 square means we will get 576. So separate 576 and 529. 6 minus sorry, what is 23 square? What is 24 square? So 16 minus 9, you are not getting 46 now. Yes. So is there some other square numbers will be there in between? 23 square and 24 square. 21. So you are getting, you have to leave this 21 and 20 set. So you have to leave 100 and 121. In between you will get a set. So you have to leave 576. Sorry, 576 and 579 you must not count. You have to count 530, 31, 32, 33 like that. If you count, you will get, you have to leave these two numbers. Then you will get 46. Okay? Okay? Clear? Yes, if you have doubt, you count and see. You don't count 529. You count from 528 to 575. You count and see, you will get 16, 46 numbers. Okay? Clear? So, do you have any doubt? Okay, we will meet in the next class. Okay? Thank you, students. Thank you.